Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the important Linux commands, that is a find command. Using a find command, we can search files by name, by size, by date, and by permissions and by type. Okay, let's discuss the find command in detail. Before that, I just want you to have a look at the syntax of the find command. How can we use the find command? And how can we find the files with by name, size, and permissions. All these things I have explained in a notepad. Let's have a look at this. See, so this is the basic syntax of the find command, and after that we find the these are the how we can find the files with by name and by extension, and to find the directories, to find the regular files, and to find the files with a size more than 100 MB or less than 10 KB, or finding the empty files and directories. And these are the things we will discuss in a, we will see practically in a console. Okay, first we will see what is the how to find a file by name. Okay, now we are in a slash home directory, ls-l. See, we are in a slash home directory. I just want to move to the test.dir. Test.dir. Test.dir has a files and directories combinations. Okay, it is easy for us to search the files with the name, permissions, and a date and modified date. Okay, now I just want to find the file with a name. Okay, how to find the file with a name? Sudo find slash home slash test dir name file.txt. file file.txt we don't have, so file1.txt we have. Okay, if you see here, we don't have a file.txt, we have a file1 to file10 txt and other files. So this is how we can find. If you want to find the files with a case sensitive in sense, there may be files a combination of upper and lower case. We want to have all files. Then how to use this? Use a letter I before the name, so that it gives us the, irrespective of the name of the file in uppercase lowercase, it gives us the name. So this is how we can use the in case instance to search. And now let us find the how to find the with extension. For example, uh, find slash all slash var slash var slash. Okay, just imagine, and I want to find the file with the end or extension with the log. Okay, how to find? How to find is name, or else we can find the tar gz. Okay, star tar slash gz in home directory. So we can find, we get the these two files because it is ended with a tar.gz. Okay, now I want to find the directories. How to find the directories? Find slash type d hyphen name. I want to find the test dir. Sorry, we have to use a sudo command. See, it gives us a test.dir directory because we want to find the directory, which is why it is giving us a test.dir. Now we want to find the file. So to find the file, we can use the test4.txt. Not test text. Uh, sorry, we don't have test3 dot, so which is why it's not showing file4.txt. So it is gives us the exact absolute path of the file. So this is how we can find the files with a extension. We can also find the files with the logs. Okay, if we want to find the files with the logs, sorry, this is a regular file, right? Okay, this is how we can find the files. So if you want to find the files with the larger files, for example, ls-ld. So hs. So okay, each file is around 900 to 10K. We'll see. So how to find the files with the size? Find slash home slash testdir type f hyphen size plus 100K. I'm going to find the file which is the size of the file is should be more than 100 KB. Let us see what are the files that we have that is more than 100 KB. So these are the files which are size is more than 100 KB. Okay. Now let us see how to find the files which is less than 10 KB. Okay. So these are the files which are less than 10 KB. Okay. Now we will see how to find the files which are modified recently. Now, to find the file which is modified recently is, yeah, use the yum-time command. Yum-time command is to find the files which are modified recently. So these are the files that got modified recently. Recent files and directories, it shows what are the files and directories that we have modified. Now let us find the files with permissions. Okay, sudo find slash type f permission 644. So these are the files I have entered a slash directory. Therefore, it's showing all home and all of it is considering and listing all the files. So which are these are the permissions with the 644. Okay, so this is how we can find the files with a file with a name, with permissions, and with a size, and regular files and directories and extension. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. This is how we can use the find command.